Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the copper T works. This small, T-shaped device is inserted into the uterus by a healthcare professional. Once in place, it continuously releases tiny amounts of copper ions. These ions create a localized inflammatory reaction within the uterus, which is key to its effectiveness. This unique environment is designed to prevent pregnancy without using hormones. The copper ions released by the IUD are specifically toxic to sperm. They significantly impair sperm motility and viability, making it very difficult for them to reach and fertilize an egg. Essentially, the copper creates an environment inside the uterus that is inhospitable for both sperm and eggs. While its primary action is preventing fertilization, it also acts as a backup by preventing implantation. One of the greatest advantages of the copper IUD is its exceptional effectiveness, boasting over 99% success in preventing pregnancy. This makes it one of the most reliable forms of reversible birth control available. Furthermore, it offers long-term protection, often lasting for up to 10 years from a single insertion. Plus, it's completely hormone-free, which is a significant benefit for many users. While highly effective, it's important to remember that insertion of a copper IUD must be performed by a qualified healthcare professional in a clinical setting. Some individuals might experience heavier or longer menstrual periods, especially during the first few months after insertion. This is a common side effect. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.